Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we uncover the best tech products on the market. Today, we have an exciting find for all you content creators and bloggers out there. We're talking about the dual wireless lavalier microphone for camera, iPhone, Android phone, and even GoPro. Yes, you heard it right, the ultimate solution for crystal clear audio in your videos. This dual wireless lavalier microphone is brought to us by Sportkey, a trusted name in audio equipment. Are you tired of dealing with tangled wires and poor audio quality in your GoPro videos? Well, this product promises to be the answer to your prayers. But before we dive into the details, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss another fantastic tech review. This mic boasts a plug-and-play design, making setup a breeze. Just connect the receiver to your device via Lightning cable, Type-C cable, 3.5mm port, or USB adapter, and you're good to go. No driver installation or app downloads required, it's incredibly user-friendly. Equipped with a built-in noise reduction chip and 2.4G signal transmission, this camera microphone delivers real-time, crystal-clear sound with minimal background noise. Plus, it includes a furry windscreen, perfect for enhancing audio quality in outdoor environments. Whether you're using a camera, GoPro, iPhone, iPad, Android phone, tablet, desktop PC, laptop, MacBook, iMac, voice amplifier, or speaker, this lavalier mic has got you covered. It's perfect for a wide range of applications, including interviews, meetings, podcasts, vlogs, live streaming, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. With a large capacity rechargeable battery and a low power chip, you'll enjoy more than 6 hours of recording on a single charge. Plus, the wireless range extends up to a whopping 65 feet, ensuring high-fidelity audio indoors and outdoors. The mini mic comes with a storage case and an extra clip for easy transport and attachment to your clothing or hand. And here's the kicker. You can use two microphones simultaneously or independently for added flexibility in your recordings. Now that we've covered the key features, let's talk about the pros and cons of this dual wireless lavalier microphone. Effortless setup with no software or app installations required. Outstanding noise reduction for clear audio in any setting. Versatile compatibility with a wide range of devices. Impressive 65 feet wireless range for flexibility in recording. Portable and convenient storage options. Some users reported issues with sensitivity, especially for singing vocals. A few customers faced challenges connecting to laptops. In conclusion, the dual wireless lavalier microphone by Sportkey is undoubtedly one of the best GoPro microphones on the market. Its ease of use, noise-canceling technology, and compatibility with various devices make it a go-to choice for content creators, bloggers, and professionals. If you're tired of dealing with wires and want to elevate your audio game, this mic is a fantastic option. That wraps up today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to check out the product link in the description below to grab one for yourself. Thanks for joining us, and stay tuned for more exciting tech reviews.